how I make over $10,000 per month with Clickbank affiliate marketing. Now you see, I'm a really personal person, right? I'm not using any graphic design. I don't use any fancy stuff. I'm just showcasing my life when it comes to Clickbank affiliate marketing, right? I love to share with people why it works and how it works, right? You have to understand, lots of gurus on Clickbank are talking about promoting weight loss supplements, making money online, right? But they're not giving you the structure, fundamental marketing structure, how it works and why it works, right? You have to understand, most of the big gurus are using the email marketing strategies, email lists, right? They are not basically, let's say, making money promoting supplements, right? I used to promote a tons of supplements and I know how it works in the weight loss space. For example, you have in the weight loss space, you have, let's say, a female market and a male market, right? So you have males and females. Now the language you're using to sell and promote, let's say, to this kind of individuals, it's really different, right? So you have people who are in female and male space. It's really different, right? It depends what kind of language you're using, what kind of ad copy you're using, what kind of images you're using. And again, the next thing you will hear of many of those gurus on Clickbank, they will tell you, yeah, just make really weird images, ugly images, and it will attract a lot of people to click on your Facebook ad, on your Google ad, or your YouTube ad. Yeah, it's true, they will click. But you know what is the problem? The problem is they're not buyers, right? They're just interested, they're just curious to know, oh, what the hell is this guy going to show me, right? It doesn't work. They know it's outdated. Many courses on Clickbank are outdated, but they make good money from selling you this idea, right? So that's why I'm here to tell you the truth behind the scenes, how it works. Look, if you're afraid to spend money on ads, I understand you, because I felt the same. I used to be there too. I used to 5 years ago. I was scared to spend 50 euros per day on Facebook ads because I was afraid, like, what? I'm spending money and making nothing back. It's not a good idea, right? But look, I'm telling you right now, if you want to make money with Facebook ads, YouTube ads, or Google ads, what you have to understand, or actually get the idea in your mind, is that when you're running ads, right, one person, one sale can make up for 3 days or 4 days of your ad spend. Look, listen closely. What do I mean by that? Right? No, Tim is not crazy. Tim is telling you the truth. Look, if you spend $50 per day and you're getting $200 commissions per sale, one person, maybe one person out of 8 people will buy the whole funnel, whole sales funnel. Upsells, downsells, cross sales. They will buy everything and you will make $200 from $50 you spend. And you also make money from commissions from other guys, right, who are buying your products online as a Clickbank affiliate, for example, or Magazine affiliate, doesn't matter, right? So be in the niches, right, where people are willingly spending money hand over fist every single day. Addiction market, casino, gambling, crypto, weight loss, dating, money, wealth. All these niches are evergreen spaces. You can go to subcategories, but doesn't matter. It's all about low emotional states and high emotional states, and creating the bridge, awareness bridge between point A, point B being your sales page or pre-sale page, ClickFunnels landing page, your Facebook ad or YouTube ad, whatever you have, or Google ads, PPC. And that's how you make the recurring passive income, okay? So as you watch this video right now, if you want to make money online, I understand you. I'll tell you this, I don't believe in bullshit courses. I never buy courses, I buy people. I buy friendships, I buy relationships. I'm a human being, right? I don't need AI bot to answer my questions or write me emails back. So as you watch this video right now, what I want you to understand is this. I will get in touch with you personally, one-on-one, right? I will personally help you. You need to have someone who will help you along the way, step by step, one-on-one, so you can watch over the shoulders on the Zoom call exactly how it's being played out. But only if you have at least 1,000 to 10,000 US dollars, right? If you're really serious. I mean, look, let me ask you this, right? Whoever tell you for $1,000 you're gonna make millions, I mean, don't believe them. I wouldn't, right? Even lawyers will charge you few $1,000s up front before you go and actually put the case on the court, right? So don't believe jokes, okay? You have to be serious in this game. I mean, look, how old are you? Are you 40, 30, 20? How many years you have left? You can fast forward your life 10 years up front if you have a coach or mentor who will help you to get results. You can keep watching free YouTube videos and never learn anything and never take action, put the pedal to the metal and do something, right? Do something for yourself, for your family, for your wife, for your spouse, husband, whatever, grandparents, parents, right? I mean, we all have limited life, right? Don't procrastinate, okay? Take action now as you're watching this video right now and you're listening to my voice, and I can help you to get results, but you have to be serious, okay? Yeah, I show you how I travel to Dubai, to Australia, to Bali, Europe, whatever, first class, right? Doesn't matter, but I'm showing you what is possible, okay? We all want that. I'm not a flashy guy. I just show you what is possible, okay? I hope you understand me, okay? I mean, if you feel me, let me know. Let me know. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, leave the comments, or text me on. Look, I even have my own WhatsApp number. Ask yourself. I mean, I'm not stupid. I'm not lying to you. I'm not scamming you. I'm telling you right now the truth. How many of gurus that you're buying these expensive courses from are willing to get on a WhatsApp call with you? Personal call, one-on-one, or even chat you back? They don't do that. They use the staff from Philippines or somewhere else to chat you back or email you back once per week. Up to you what you want to do, okay? I'm just telling you, look, if you really want to change your life, if you really want to quit your 9 to 5, if you want to make 10,000 to 50,000 euros per month, it's possible. I'm not promising you millions. Millions per month are not possible for everyone, okay? It's too stressful. I'd rather earn 100,000 euros per month, enjoy my life, travel all around the world, help my family, and have fun, and then get too stressful about millions per month. It's possible, of course, but I don't want to do it. I'm not interested in 1 million euros per month, but I like to be at 100,000 euros per month or more, okay? So as you watch this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, smash the comments, let me know. I mean, if you have any questions, do let me know, and I will personally help you, let's say, to start having results. But you have to be serious, right? You have to actually do something which will enable you to live this life, to actually get the results with affiliate marketing on Clickbank or any other network, okay? There are many audiences out there, product aware, unaware audiences, solution aware, problem aware, so many kind of audiences, okay? But my friend, listen to me, okay? And I'm telling you, my friend, because if you feel me and if you have money to you wanna invest, we can be long-term partners. We can build friendships. I can fly over to you. We can meet one-on-one, right? That's what I want. I'm not looking for people who look something for nothing. If you're a person who doesn't want to invest money in yourself, don't reach out to me. Don't waste my time, okay? Don't waste my time. I will not waste your time either. You need to have minimum $1,000 to $10,000 if you want to have. Look, is to ask yourself, is it worth it to invest 5,000 euros, 6,000 euros into something that will make you 10,000 to 30,000 euros per month every single day, every single month? Is it or not? Right? It makes sense. So again, thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like this video, leave the comment, reach out to me on social media, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and we will see you on the other side. Again, thank you for watching.